Hey guys, I am Raj Sharma. Welcome you all to my channel Electrical Point. So today's topic is finding the equivalent resistance using symmetric line method. So before watching this video, I recommend you all to see my previous video on the same topic. Okay, so you can get the video by pressing the I button, or you can directly get the link on the description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Electrical Point to get the latest electrical videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Now let me start the video. Guys, today's question is we have to find out the equivalent resistance between this point and this point. Now if you see the circuit carefully, you can see there is a symmetry about this line. Okay, you can see this according to this vertical line. If we see the both sides are symmetric, so to calculate the equivalent resistance, I can divide the circuit like this, and suppose I name this point as O point. So this will be O point, this is A point, and this is B point. So according to our formula, RAB will be your RAO plus RBO. And how I am doing this, if you don't understand, please see my previous video, and the link is given in the description box. Okay, now to calculate the RAO, how we will do that? We will divide this 2 ohm resistance, this 2 ohm resistance, and this 2 ohm resistance by 2. Suppose if I calculate the resistance across A and O point, I will write the circuit like this. This will remain same. This resistance also remains same, and this also remains same. This also remains same. You can see all the resistances in this circuit are given as 2 ohm. Now this also 2 ohm, but this resistance will be divided by 2, so this will become our 1 ohm, and we will draw the circuit like this way. Okay, and this also our 1 ohm. Okay, now you can see I can write the equivalent of these two resistance. These two resistances are in parallel. Okay, now you see this is a, these three resistance will be same, these 2 and 2 ohm. And if I calculate the equivalent resistance of 2 and 1, these are in parallel connection, so the equivalent will be 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, and it will be 2 by 3. Okay, see, this will become 2 by 3, and similarly we will get this resistance also as 2 by 3. Now you can see these 2 and 2 by 3 are in series, and here also 2 and this 2 by 3 are in series. So I can calculate the equivalent resistance as the middle resistance will remain same as 2, and this will be your 2 plus 2 by 3. As both are in series, so we will simply add these two resistances. So it will be our 3, and 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so this will be your 8 by 3, and the bottom resistance also will be 8 by 3. This is our O point. Okay, now you can see these three resistances are in parallel. Okay, so we can calculate like RAO will be 8 by 3 parallel to parallel 8 by 3, and if you calculate this, you will get the answer will be your 4 by 5. Okay, you can see we have calculated the resistance across A and O point. So this will be also equal to the resistance across O and B point. So this will be your also RBO. Okay, so guys, I have simplified this complex circuit into a simple circuit like this, and we also know the resistances across AO point and OB point. So our RAB will be simply, we will add these two resistances RAO plus RBO. So this will be 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5, and it will be your 8 by 5. Okay, So guys, you can say I have easily solved this complex circuit through this symmetric line method. Okay, and if you are getting any difficulty to understand this question, I will highly recommend you to see my previous video where I have simply and deeply explained the concept of symmetric line method. Okay guys, so guys, I hope you have understood the concept and enjoyed the lecture. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can freely ask me on the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and definitely press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. And also guys, share with your friends so that they can also get the knowledge. So guys, see you in our next video. So till then, be safe, take care, and thank you for watching.